Okay, so it's the weekend, just about to clock off. Came back from Manchester, and this box of goodies is there. A whole new avenue from the TP-Link product family. Super excited to get into this, what it can offer you guys, and more importantly, customer base. But yeah, Omada, the Omada hardware controller range. Omada access point, 4G router, gigabit VPN router, and a big 24-port managed switch, part of the enterprise level product set. Super excited as to how we can really add value to our customer base with this new product set, and how you guys can use this product set to really enhance your offering to your customer, because that's what it's about. It's about how you really add value to your customers by us adding value to you with this product set. So stay tuned for a great update on this, hopefully next week. Got a super exciting thing we're going to try and do with this, and there's a lot of other things happening again with the Midwich acquisition that you guys know about. There's some super cool stuff happening on that, so stay tuned. Other than that, make sure you have a great Gavin would say, a great weekend, everybody. See you next week. Make sure you spend time with your family, your friends, your loved ones, and we'll see you next week when we'll give you some more content.